To check out all our products, go to MusicNomadCare.com.
So intonation is the adjustment that makes the fretted notes play in tune with the open strings. And the accuracy of the fretted note is governed by the distance of the saddle from the frets. So if the fretted note is flat compared to the open string, the saddle's too far back. If the fretted note is sharp, the saddle is too far forward. So on an acoustic, since you can't move it, there's not really much you can do. In extreme cases, some guitars, the saddle is in the wrong place and it will not intonate, and you have to fill the saddle slot and move the saddle, and obviously that's a job for a qualified guitar tech. So I'm just checking to see how close I am on this guitar. So I'm going to have my open string perfectly in tune, then I'm going to check at my 12th fret, and I'm right on the money, just a tiny bit sharp. Here's my A. It's a little bit sharp, not by much. Actually, that's very good. C or D. It's really right on the money. It's great. That intonation is very good. I mean, you would hope it would be, because Martin's only been making guitars for about 150 years, so you know, they've kind of got that down. I used a headstock tuner on this instrument because it does not have a pickup. If your guitar has a pickup in it, which many do, just go ahead and use your benchtop strobe tuner, and you'll be able to have the accuracy to check your intonation. Additionally, I checked at the 12th fret. This guitar doesn't have a cutaway. It's hard to play much up beyond the 12th fret. But if you have a cutaway, or you are a person who plays farther up the neck, definitely check your intonation at the 17th fret to make sure that your intonation is good all the way up the fretboard.
For detailed videos on how to use each gauge during the setup process, please visit MusicNomadCare.com for all our how-to videos.